Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little haul for you. It's actually a mystery bundle. First, let me say I apologize for my voice. I have been sick. I was sick. I've been sick 2 weeks. But this past week, I'm filming on a Saturday and I hope to have this up on Saturday. This past week, it's mainly been coughing. I haven't felt really sick. I've just had just felt all the coughing and that. The week before now, I was pretty sick. Brian brought this home from work and I don't know. I catch everything because my immune system is shot. And so, yeah. It's not the flu. I never had a fever. It wasn't COVID. It's a cold. Brian had a cold. He had it for about 2-3 days most. 2 weeks for me. 2 weeks, and I still have this voice. So I will be editing out coughs. You won't know I'm coughing, but I will edit it out. So anyway, let's get started. What I have here is from Milk Cosmetics, and it was an impulse buy. I am not much of an impulse shopper buyer anymore. I'm someone who likes to research and make sure I'm getting a good deal kind of gal. But you know, with mystery bundles, cosmetic mystery bundles, they can go quickly. So you really don't have the luxury to really think about it. So since the last makeup item I purchased for myself was the Nomad Witch palette, and that was before Halloween last year. So I have not purchased any makeup since then. Nothing. Whoops. I have not purchased a thing makeup-wise. So I thought, oh, okay, I'm going to treat myself. I checked the website. The bundles had two, a $25 bundle and a $50. So I just went with a $50. It came in this bubble wrap. And it says on here, Milk Cosmetics Cool Mom Mystery Bundle. It was for Mother's Day. Cool Mom. That sounds pretty cool. I got my bundle while I was sick, so of course I couldn't film it then, but I did open it. My first impressions opening this was like, God, I don't like this. But then when I thought about it and I looked up all the items, everything I got in my mystery bundle is currently on their website and not on sale. So I thought, well, they're all full price items, not discounted items. So okay, just because I wasn't excited about it, that's the thing with mystery bundles, and you know that's how it goes. But I have not seen anyone open this mystery bundle, which has shocked me. I have looked. I keep searching for, you know, the Cool Mom mystery bundle, you know, the latest Melt mystery bundle, and there's not a video out there that I could find. So I thought, well, I am going to film this, and I will give my final opinion after I've shown you everything I got. Now, I don't have lipstick on because I did get some lip products. Not a lot, I see, but enough. I got something that I can put on my lips. We're going to try those out. And I also, spur of the moment, they had these Edward Scissorhand eyeliners on sale. And with buying the mystery bundle, I could get the eyeliners for $10. I see they're on sale for $11 now. But I paid $10 a piece. I didn't pay $11. And I thought, well. And so let me just show you these real quick. These are still available. But like I said, they're $11. And the other things, I can't remember the price. Some of the things I might remember the price. I'll put the price on the screen for you. And at the end, I'll add up how much this was worth. I don't remember what it said the value was supposed to be on this, but I'll tell you the value of it at the end. So this color is Garden Sculpture, and it's these pretty, look at that green. I just thought that was just I hope you can see that, the prettiest green. So I'm like, okay, I gotta have that. I don't need to keep the packaging. There we go. And the other color I got was Touch of Lavender. That doesn't sound very Edward Scissorhands does a touch of lavender. But that's okay. So you can guess it's a purple. Make sure I'm reading that right. Yeah. Touch of lavender. Here's the pencil. It's very creamy. I love Melt pencils. Melt has really good pencils. There we go. Both shades. So yeah, I am not sorry I picked those up. I would not purposefully buy just 2 eyeliners personally, but I didn't mind adding them into this with this purchase, and I did get free shipping. I didn't have to pay shipping on this. So now let's get into the actual bundle. So the first thing that I saw when I opened it, and I was like, I got eyelashes. I don't wear fake eyelashes anymore. I dabbled with them in the past. I have a drawer full. Here, I've got a whole bunch right here. What have I got? I've got Lunar Beauty lashes, and I've got, what are those? Pure, and I've got Tarte lashes. So now I'll just add the Melt in this drawer, and probably after I die, somebody will get them. I don't know. I don't know if I'll ever wear lashes. Back when I worked cosmetics, right out of college, I worked the Estee Lauder counter, as you know. I worked with this woman named Norma. She's passed away now, so I can talk about her, I guess. Norma was an older lady. She had a son my age, or around my age, I think. But Norma was the older lady at the counter, and she had this bright red hair that she wore up, but she wore these fake lashes, and all I saw was these lashes coming at you. And let me tell you, she would knock me into the back. The counter was kind of maybe a rectangular shape, or maybe a little odder shape counter, and around the front is cases with glass, and then in the back it was higher with shelves and drawers, and she would knock me into that to get to a sale commission. So I had bruises. When I first started working for Estee Lauder, I had bruises from Norma. She was smaller than me, knocking me into that backstop, because let me tell you, nobody stood between her and a sale. Anyway, I can laugh about it now. And then finally I became counter manager and became her boss, so it didn't really matter about the sales. Anyway, that's beside the point. Now, so anyway, that was the lashes. So I don't know if I can wear the lashes, maybe for Halloween or any other reason to dress up. I mean, you never know what I might need to dress up for. I'll use them then, but just to wear, I doubt I'll wear them. Okay, next thing I got was, I did get a brush, an eyeshadow brush. I didn't open this up. Cute little case for your brush, and then it's in plastic. That's a nice brush. I have a set of Melt brushes that I got. Yeah, I got the Corazon, I think it was called, brushes. I got the whole set. I might, let me see, I think I'm gonna put this back in this. Oh, I can't get it back in there now. Oh well, I'm just gonna lay that aside. Anyway, I'm thinking about the brush. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the brush. I got a gazillion brushes, you know, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep that. So next, let's get into the next thing. I got a Melt gel eyeliner, and I'm not one to really wear gel eyeliners. I have black and I have navy. This one is in the color Ember Hour. So let me open it up. This is Ember Hour. It's a rusty brown. I have another name for it. I won't say it. You can probably guess what I think. I don't know that I will ever wear that. I really don't know what I would do with this. Puppy's with us. I don't know if I'll keep it. That's another thing I need to think about. That is just, I don't think that's a color I would put on my eyes. You know? And there's a theme to this whole mystery box, but let's continue. Next, I got the Melt Hot Shot Matte Lip Plumper, and we're going to put this on. I used to wear lip plumpers. Who was it that made those lip plumpers? Was it Too Faced? I think it was Too Faced. That I had several other lip plumpers, the stingy. I don't mind them. I don't care if my lips are plump or not, although I am getting older. My lips are not as plump as they were. Let me see if I can open this. And I'm going to put it on right now. I don't smell anything. Oh, it's matte. That's unusual. I've got a little mustache going on, so ignore that. I feel a little tingle. I'm feeling it starting to tingle. It's not like those Too Faced ones that were like, burn your lips off. I do feel the tingle. I'm going to keep this product. I put it on my lips. I don't really mind it. Is it going to plump my lips? I don't know. I don't really mind it though. It's not very stingy. I can feel it. I've been told I have a high tolerance for pain though, so I don't know. I can feel it, but it's not really bothering me. Sorry. Okay. Next in the bundle was a lip pencil. The Lip Perfectionist pencil, and this color is cinnamon. You see the colors here? And like I said, I love pencils. They're like the eye pencil I showed you, but for lips. And truthfully, you could probably wear that on your eyes. It's the same color pretty much as that gel liner. Maybe I would wear that gel liner. I'm going to line my lips with this. I can feel a little more tingle. I'll let you, I'm going to color this all in here. It's not bad. I mean, there we go. You could wear it as a lipstick. Especially with that melt underneath, that matte. It's not bad. I like the lip liner. I'm okay with this tingle thing. And I like that it's matte, so technically I could wear like a lip liner with it. Because it's emollient enough to make the lip liner spread like a lipstick. Like, you know, when I put it all over. So that's probably what I'll use this for. Okay. And now, the last thing in my bundle, and this is what disappointed me because I already have it, and that's the Rust palette. And so I pulled mine out. That's what I'm wearing on my eyes. So this one is mine. I actually got mine in a mystery bundle from Melt 4 years ago. 4 years ago. I would think they would put something different in a new mystery bundle. So here's the colors. I'll turn that up like that. There's the colors, and that's what I have on my eyes. I have this on, and I'm okay with it. I like this palette. But does this rust color scream Mother's Day to you? It doesn't scream Mother's Day. To me, I think this would have been better as a fall mystery bundle, but not a Mother's Day. I think the color's all wrong for Mother's Day. So I don't know if everybody got the same thing, because I have not seen anyone else do one of these videos. I'm going to look again. There might be something up now. Maybe people waited like me to actually make a video. Or maybe people were so disappointed with it, they're like, I'm not going to film that. I don't know. But I thought I would share it with y'all in case some of you were interested. My opinion, since I got the same palette I did 4 years ago, I would not purchase another Melt Mystery Bundle. That's just me. Because I think they really missed the mark by not having some other color story. I was kind of hoping in the back of my mind, I was hoping one of those Universal Monster palettes would end up in my, because they're gone. I know they're gone. I waited too late to get them. That's one of those where I kept thinking about it. And do I want to get it? Do I not want to get it? And during that time, things were a little tight for us, I will admit. And I didn't have the extra money to spend on getting those palettes, but I loved them both. So I was kind of hoping I might get one. Even their colors would have been better for Mother's Day than Rust. I just don't think this was a great color choice for Mother's Day. But hey, whatever. I do have an idea what I'm going to do with this. I have someone that I'm going to pass this on to, and I'm going to add the brush with it. I'm not going to add the liner because this person is a family member and I know they won't wear the eyeliner, that gel liner. So, for now, I'm just going to hang on to it and declutter it at some point, because I don't know if I'll wear it. I might try it. I might. I'm okay with, I like the lip liner. I did not have a brown lip liner. I have been using a pencil, eye pencil, for a brown lip liner. So I'm very pleased with this. I'm okay with this. I'm better with it now that I've put it on and I have an idea how I can use it. So that's it. That I'll have on the screen how much everything added up to. So in the grand scheme of things, it's not bad. I just don't like the color story. And the only personal problem I have with it is they gave me a palette that they gave me 4 years ago. And that was disappointing to me. Yeah. So because of that, and I do have a couple other of the palettes that they have on their website, or one other of the palettes they have on their website, I don't think I would buy a mystery bundle again. I think I'm good with Melt. So anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching. If you did enjoy this, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Have a great day, have a great week, and I'll see y'all next time.